Hey guys, I'm here from Minifig Mankey with a LEGO Star Wars time-lapse build video. Today we have the Imperial Shuttle Tydirium, set number 75094, with 937 pieces. So a pretty large set. From, of course, LEGO Star Wars, like I said. So on the front of the box here, you can see we just got the Shuttle Tydirium shooting at things. I don't remember the rebels using it to destroy anything. They sort of use it to infiltrate the moon of Endor. But anyway, you can see the minifigures down there. Not sure why Chewie is outlined in blue and the others are outlined in orange. I'm guessing the orange outline means that they're new minifigures and blue means that they're not. So that's interesting. And then we've got Princess Leia in actual size on the top of the box. And then on the back we've got Disney. Then the 2015 tradition of the graphic on the back there, just still animated or CGI picture of all the minifigures, and then some little scenes there. Pew pew pew. And then just close-ups of all the features of the sets. Oh no, this is only one set of the set. But yeah, so let's get this box opened up. Hang on a sec. Be right back, guys. Sorry about that, guys. I just have to go find my little cutting tool. So I'm just gonna cut open the box there. I'm actually going to take it off the table and then get it open here. The box seems pretty well filled, so it's an appropriate size for the amount of stuff in the set. Okay, good. So there is everything all dumped out of the box. And yeah, so now we have a big empty box. But we have all this stuff, so let's see what we got here. Here's bag one. Bag one. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So 6 numbered bags. And we've got our instructions. This is an interesting way of packaging. I've never seen it this way before. There's a sticker on the front that says 6128683. No idea what that is. But yeah. Some sort of code for the factory, I would assume. And in this little bag here, we've got our sticker sheet, which has only 5 stickers for a set this big. That's actually pretty good. Yep. And then we've got this nice thick instruction manual here. Oh. There's an advertisement in the front for Star Wars Rebels stuff. That's actually a pretty cool little picture there. I'd love to have that as a poster. Let's see, what do we got in the back here? Advertisement for all these summer sets, aside from the Sith Infiltrator, of course. And then in the back here, we've got the minifigures from all the sets that aren't the Sith Infiltrator. So, yep, and then we got Club, Wing, all that stuff. How many pages of building are in this manual here? I like how the build is all in one manual. It feels nicer that way. 154 page build. Very nice manual. But yeah, there's everything that comes in the box. So let's get to building. So here is the shuttle fully built. You can see we got our 5 minifigures and the shuttle itself. Can't really fit it into frame right now because of how tall it is, but oh well. Yeah, so it was actually a really fun build. I really enjoyed it. Lots of interesting stuff going on during the building process. Anyway, guys, that's going to do it for this build video. As always, thanks for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for the review.